Another way I make hamburger helper hot dish. Let's do this. Hello you guys. Welcome back to my, I guess you would call it, my grill. So today we're going to grill. Another way I do hamburger helper hot dish. I mean, I rarely ever make hamburger helper hot dish the same from one batch to the next. It is, I just use the hamburger helper as a base to help make a quick, easy dinner for me. And this is one of the ways I do it. So here I have a pound of mild Italian sausage, and then I have one of those frozen things. I'll leave an iCard up here on my frozen veggies that I do. This is celery, peppers, onions, leeks, and then this is fresh carrots, and it's 2 large carrots shredded. And then this is 3 tablespoons of your favorite fat, oil, grease, whatever, of any type that you enjoy. This is beef. I had done some beef ribs and I had some beef fat in my yum. Okay, so Italian, yeah, it'll work. But yep, I'm gonna go put this on my grill. We're gonna brown it all up, and then we're gonna add our food and have tasties. Alright guys, we'll be back. Alright guys, next step. So I have it all browned and cooked, and the meat is brown and the veggies are nice and golden-fied, cooked nicely. Yeah, tasty. So next, grab any hamburger helper of your choice and pull out the seasoning box. Now, I've got a family of 4. Oops, I lost a couple shells. So I use either multiple boxes of hamburger helper or what I'm going to do here today. And I'll show you. So, take the spice packet, add it. Then, because they're Italian shells, which are nice and thin, I'm going to use a shell of equal quality, nice and thin. And we're going to do mac and cheese. Now, I know this is full of GMOs, whatever. But I need a quick, easy meal. And I'm trying to make it at least slightly healthy, so vegetables, good Italian sausage from the meat market. Alright, add the sauce packets, mix it all up. Then you add meat stock of whatever you want. You can do pork, you can do whatever you want. Here, I have Italian sausage, so I was canning yesterday, and I have a little bit of pork broth that didn't fit in a jar to make a full jar, so we'll add that. And then I have some veggie stock. Veggie stock is always good to add. It's got lots of vitamins and minerals, and I always do a tomato type veggie stock, so it's got lots of vitamin C in it. Alright, then we're going to add our noodles. And you want to make sure that what you have is just enough over to slightly cover all the meat, veggies, and noodles with liquid. So you've got a 1-pot hamburger helper hot dish going on. If you need more, you will find out as it's cooking. You can either add water or more veggie stock or more meat stock of your choice. I have a little bit of chicken because, like I said, yesterday I was canning and I didn't have enough to make a full canner. So, if I don't need any more broth for this, then the chicken will go back in the fridge and I'll use it tomorrow for something. If I need to use it, I have a little bit more chicken stock ready to go to add. It'll add flavor, it'll add vitamins, it'll add nutrients, and yeah. So, we're going to let this cook, guys. We'll be back. Just so you know, I only have the front 2 burners on, because it goes 1, 2, 3. I only have the front 2 burners on, and it's on medium. So, there we go. There we have it, you guys. Mac and cheese and hamburger helper hot dish made healthy. Well, healthier, I would have to say. So, there we go. I hope that gives you an idea of the many different ways you can change up hamburger helper and use hamburger helper or mac and cheese in any number of ways. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. And remember, stay positive. Bye.